Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Morpho token from Morpho Labs. Ticker symbol is MORPHO, and this token recently got a very big central exchange listing, and there is an event going on for trading for this token right now, and we're going to go over the information on the Morpho Labs token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token just got listed recently on the 21st, 2 days ago, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Morpho, and then simply just buy the token. Now, going on until December 1st at 10 a.m. UTC time, there is a deposit and trade Morpho event. The token airdrop event is now live. You can share 36,000 Morpho and 50,000 USDT in prizes, and you can check that out on Mexc right now. So the deposit and trade airdrop event is live. So you can get the token off there, and you can also get involved in that event. Now I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here. As usual, you'll see it's a big project, 45,100 Twitter followers, gold check mark at Morpho Labs, 2,783 posts. So it says here, what is Morpho? Well, they have a huge Morpho document section here that you could find at docs.morpho.org. And then there's also a webpage, morpho.org, where you can find an application, jobs, frequently asked questions, blogs, governance, vaults, research, etc. So what is Morpho? Morpho is a decentralized lending protocol with different entities and individuals contributing to its development and adoption. As a result, the documentation refers to different areas of Morpho which are worth distinguishing. So they have the Morpho protocol, which is a decentralized, non-custodial lending protocol implemented from the Ethereum virtual machine. The protocol has two main steps in its evolution with two independent versions. So Morpho Optimizer and Morpho, formerly known as Morpho Blue. It says the Morpho interface, a web interface allowing easy interaction with the Morpho protocol. The interface is one of the many ways to interact with the Morpho protocol, and more details on the Morpho interface can be found in their document section. They have the governance, which is a system of governing the Morpho protocol enabled by the Morpho token. So that is one utility for the token. Then they have the labs, so the company that developed the Morpho protocol interface and many developer tools. And the association, a France-registered association that regroups the main contributors like Morpho Labs to promote the development and the decentralization of Morpho protocol. The Morpho Association hosts the Morpho interface. So Morpho is the most recent protocol version and is the independent of Morpho optimizers. Morpho is a simple lending primitive layer that allows the creation of immutable and efficient lending markets in a permissionless way. The protocol comes with EVM smart contracts, which facilitate interactions and integrations. So the first version of Morpho protocol is named Morpho Optimizers. It is built on top of an incumbent lending pool and improves the lending and borrowing rates of users with a peer-to-peer matching algorithm while preserving the same liquidity and risk parameters. So if you want to learn specifically about certain things that I mentioned earlier, you can. But if we're talking specifically about the token, Morpho is the Morpho protocol's governance token. So the Morpho DAO, the decentralized autonomous organization made up of Morpho holders and delegators, governs the protocol. So the governance system uses a weighted voting system in which the number of Morpho tokens held determines voting power. So Morpho holders can vote on changes or improvements to the protocol, including future initiatives to grow the protocol, development of ownership to Morpho smart contracts, turning on and off the fee switch built into the Morpho contracts, and govern the DAO treasury. So the original, now legacy Morpho token was deployed as an immutable contract and lacked functionality associated with on-chain voting accounting. The Morpho DAO voted to create a contract to wrap the legacy tokens into wrapped Morpho to enable on-chain vote tracking functionality in MIP 7.5. In addition to on-chain vote tracking, using an upgradable token makes it possible to conform to the cross-chain interoperability standard in the future, minimizing friction for Morpho holders who want to move their tokens between chains. Although legacy Morpho tokens can be freely converted to wrapped Morpho at 1-to-1 via the wrapper contract, there could be a risk that legacy tokens might be used mistakenly in external integrations such as exchanges. To prevent this, only the wrapped Morpho will be transferable. Users can easily wrap their existing legacy Morpho tokens on the Morpho app. So they have the wrapped token, they have the legacy token, and the distribution here. So 4.9% of the tokens will go to users and launch pools. 27.5% will go to strategic partners. 35.4% will go to the Morpho DAO reserve. 15.2% to the founders. 6.3% to the Morpho Association Reserve. 4.9% to early contributors. And 5.8% to the reserve for contributors. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.